The Nokia N73 5G is a modern reimagining of the iconic N73, now equipped with the latest 5G capabilities and packed with cutting-edge features. Here's a quick 5-minute review covering the key aspects of this phone. Design and build. Nokia stays true to its robust build quality with the N73 5G. The device boasts a sleek, minimalist design, combining a metal frame with a glass back that gives it a premium feel. The phone is quite ergonomic, offering a solid grip, though it is slightly on the heavier side due to its larger battery. Display. The Nokia N73 5G features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing crisp visuals and smooth scrolling. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, the display delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it a great choice for media consumption, gaming, and everyday use. Performance. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, the N73 5G offers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and running demanding apps. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, the phone handles intensive tasks with ease, ensuring minimal lag or stutter. The 5G connectivity adds to the performance, allowing for blazing fast download and browsing speeds. Camera. The camera system is one of the standout features of the Nokia N73 5G. It comes with a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 1.8MP primary sensor. Photos captured by the main camera are detailed, even in low-light conditions, thanks to Nokia's AI-enhanced imaging capabilities. The ultra-wide and macro lenses provide versatility, and the 3.2MP front camera ensures crisp and clear selfies. Battery life. A 5000 mAh battery powers the Nokia N73 5G, offering impressive battery life. You can easily get through a full day of heavy use, and with support for 33W fast charging, the phone powers up quickly when needed. Software. Nokia ships this phone with a near-stock version of Android 14, offering a clean and bloatware-free experience. The interface is smooth, and the lack of unnecessary apps allows for better performance and user experience. Nokia's promise of regular security updates is a big plus for those who value privacy and long-term reliability. Verdict. The Nokia N73 5G is a solid mid-range phone that delivers great performance, a stunning display, and an impressive camera system. It's ideal for users looking for a reliable 5G phone with a premium design and excellent battery life at a competitive price point.